Good morning, student. How are you? Today we study lesson number 15. Okay, 15 is similarity. So first we have to understand what is the meaning of similar. Similar means एक जैसा. Suppose two triangles. Suppose one triangle ABC and one triangle PQR. If two triangle having the same shape means एक जैसे दिख रहा है. This triangle and this triangle both are looking the same, so that's why they are the similar triangle. Okay, if triangle having the same shape, so they are called the similar triangles. Similar triangle means angles should be same. This angle is equal this angle, this angle is equal this angle, this angle is equal this angle. That's why the triangle are in the same shape. Okay, in the previous class, in class 9, you study about the congruent triangle. In congruent triangle, the triangle having the same shape and same size. The triangle की size और shape दोनों same होती हैं, but in the similarity only shape are same. Okay. Now there are three types of similarities criteria, so we understand what are the in the class 9 you study congruent triangle. In the congruent triangle, five properties are there: side angle, side angle, RHS. Okay, but in the similarity only three criteria are there. Okay, so let us understand what are they. Okay, so first condition is angle or angle means if two angles are same. Suppose one triangle ABC and second is PQR. Suppose this angle is 30 and this is 30 and second is 60 and second is 60. Two angles are same in both the triangle. In ABC triangle, one angle is 30. In triangle PQR, one angle is 30. So both are same. 60 and 60 same. So if two angles are same, then we can say that both triangles are similar to each other. और जब two angles equal होंगे तो third तो automatically equal हो जाएगा, because 60 plus 30 90 और 180 से minus कर देंगे, third angle will also be equal. So हम सिर्फ two angle check करेंगे, उससे भी similar proof हो जाएगा. This is the first condition. Okay. Okay, second condition is that side means one angle equal. So angle B is equal angle Q, that is given 30. So angle first side and second side means the ratio between the two sides is also equal, means AB upon PQ, BC upon QR. It should be same. So AB is equal, suppose 2, PQ is equal 4, BC is equal 3 and QR is equal 6. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6. 1 by 2 equal 1 by 2. That means the ratio of first side of triangle ABC to the first side of the triangle PQR is 1 by 2, and the ratio of the second side BC to the second side of QR is also 1 by 2. That's why the ratio are same. AB upon PQ, this side upon this side is equal this side upon this side, and the included angle also equal. So side, angle, side. This is the second condition to prove the similarity of the triangle. Okay, means if this criteria fulfilled, then we can say that both triangles are similar to each other. Okay, now the third condition for the similarity, side SSS, means the ratio between all the three sides of one triangle to the ratio to the other sides will also be equal. Suppose AB upon PQ is equal BC upon QR is equal AC upon PR. AB is equal to 4, 3, 6, 5, 10. 1 by 2, 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10. 1/2 equal 1/2 equal 1/2 मीन्स इस वन ट्राइंगल की जो थ्री साइड्स हैं और सेकंड साइड ट्राइंगल की जो थ्री साइड्स हैं उनका जो रेशियो है वो कैसा है, सेम है, 1/2 1/2 1/2. That's why both triangle ABC, this is the sign of similarity, ABC triangle PQR. ओके, तो इसमें सिर्फ आपको रेशियो चेक करना है, अगर थ्री साइड का रेशियो सेम है दैट देन वी कैन से दैट द ट्राइंगल आर सिमिलर. ओके, सो फर्स्ट कंडीशन इज व्हाट, एंगल criteria, second is side angle and the third is SSS, side. So with the help of three criteria we can solve any question in this exercise. Okay student, now we solve question number 1. In the figure given below, straight lines AB and CD intersect at P point. AB and CD both intersect at one P point and it is given that AC parallel to BD. Now you have to prove that triangle APC similar to the triangle BPD. Okay, so let us check. Because it is given that AC parallel to BD, that's why this angle is equal this angle, interior alternative angle. Okay, because this line is parallel this line, this is the transversal line. So angle ACP is equal angle PDB. Why? Because AC parallel to BD. Now second, angle APC is equal angle BPD, vertically opposite angle. This angle is equal this angle, vertically opposite angle. So by angle criteria, angle condition, the first condition is what, if two angles are equal of one triangle to the two angle of the another triangle, then both triangle will be similar to each other. So this angle is equal this angle, this angle is equal this angle, means two angles are equal. That's why by angle condition means first criteria of the similarity, triangle APC similar triangle BPD. बस इतना सा सॉल्यूशन होगा. Okay, in the first part we proved that APC similar to the triangle BPD. Now in the second part you have to find the value of PA and PC. BD is given 2.4, AC 3.6, PD 4 and PV 3.2 is given. You have to find the length of the PA and PC. So in the first part we proved that both triangles are similar to each other. If triangles are similar, then the corresponding ratio will also be equal. Means अगर कोई two triangles similar हैं तो उनकी जो corresponding sides होंगी उनका ratio same होगा. Means this vertically opposite angles are equal. तो ये दोनों एंगल इक्वल है तो इनकी जो अपोजिट साइड्स होंगी वो इक्वल होंगी. ठीक है, तो इसके अपोजिट साइड क्या है, AC अपॉन इसी के अपोजिट साइड क्या है, BD is equal. Now this angle is equal this angle, so opposite of this side is AP and opposite of this angle is PV is equal. The third angle this, so opposite of this PC and opposite of this PV means corresponding sides. जो एंगल इक्वल होंगे इनके जो अपोजिट साइड्स होंगी वो उनका रेशियो सेम होगा. नाउ AC is given 3.6, BD 2.4, AP not given, PV 3.2, PC and PD 4. Okay, so first we take first and second, then we take second and third. So from the first and second, 3.6 upon 2.4 is equal AP upon 3.2. Point and point remove. 4 6 are 24, 4 9 are 36, 3 3 are 9, 3 2 are 6. So AP is equal 3/2 into 3.2. 4.8. AP is equal 4.8. Now with the help of second and first and third, so 3.6 upon 2.4 is equal PC upon 4. So point and point remove. 12 2s are 12 3s are 2 2s are 4. So PC is equal 3 2s are 6. So PC is equal 6 centimeter and AP is equal 4.8 centimeter. Okay. In first part we proved that both triangles similar. In second part the corresponding ratio will be equal. Then first and second and first and third we can find the value. Okay. Okay, now we solve question number 3rd. P is a point on the side BC of a parallelogram ABCD. DP is produced to the L. Then prove that this DP ratio PL equal DC ratio BL. Okay, one parallelogram and produced to L. Now we take two triangles, this triangle and this triangle, DCP and LPP. This vertically opposite angles are equal, and in parallelogram opposite sides are parallel to each other. That's why this whole line is parallel to this line. That's why this angle is equal this angle by interior alternative angle. This angle is equal this angle by interior alternative angle. PDC is equal VLP, and this vertically opposite angle equal. So by angle criteria, both triangle are similar to each other. Triangle DCP similar triangle LBP by angle criteria, because two angles are equal. Now if triangle are similar, then we can find what is the ratio. Both angle are equal means opposite of this is DC and opposite of this is BL. So DC upon BL equal opposite of this PC and opposite of this BP. Okay, so this PC upon PB. Now the third is DP upon PL. DP, this angle is equal this angle, so DP upon PL. Now you have to prove that in the first part DP upon PL and DC upon BL means this is your first part answer. In the second part, triangle ADL and DPC, we have proved that both triangles are similar. So this angle is equal this angle, same, because the interior alternative angle. Both lines are parallel, so interior alternative angle equal. Second, angle DAL, this angle is equal this angle DCP. Why? Because it is a parallelogram, or in a parallelogram opposite angles are equal. In parallelogram opposite angles are equal. It is a parallelogram, so opposite angle are equal. So by angle criteria, both triangles are similar to each other. So we find the ratio. What is the ratio? DL. This angle equal this angle, so opposite of this DL. Then opposite of this in this triangle DP is equal AL. AL. This angle, इसके अपोजिट साइड क्या है? EL. और ये वाला एंगल इस ट्राइंगल में किसकी इक्वल है? इस एंगल की. सो इसके अपोजिट क्या है? DC. मीन्स करस्पॉन्डिंग देखना है. टू ट्राइंगल जब सिमिलर करेंगे तो उन फर्स्ट ट्राइंगल का जो एंगल दूसरे ट्राइंगल के जिस एंगल के इक्वल होगा, फिर हम ये देखेंगे कि उन एंगल्स के अपोजिट साइड्स क्या हैं, उनका रेशियो इक्वल होगा. सो दिस इज द सेकंड पार्ट.